Hi, I am Ishwina, bringing you exclusive coverage from Geosmart Asia 2015 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We are in the heart of the city at the Putra World Trade Center, and the registration counters have been witnessing massive footfalls right since morning. And why not? Where else can you expect to find three momentous conferences under one location? So we have Geosmart Asia, GeoBuild Smart Infrastructure, and Geointelligence Asia Pacific Forum all happening under one roof here at the PWTC in Kuala Lumpur. The theme for this year's conference is towards next big leap.
The next big leap is how these smart technologies can be applied for smarter decision making and lead to a nation's development and give an economic prosperity in terms of saving, efficiency and better management of resources.
Trimble makes indoor mapping easy. The California-based company has introduced new Trimble Indoor Mobile Mapping Solution or TIMMS that produces accurate maps of even the most difficult to navigate indoor spaces in no time. The new solution also translates these maps directly into 2D and 3D models of structured interiors. The mapping solution effortlessly captures the spatial data of indoor and other GNSS denied areas. It delivers both LiDAR and spherical video and enables accurate real-life representations of interior spaces and all their content.
Exact Earth, the leading provider of automatic identification system on AIS data services, has successfully launched the AIS satellite ExactView 9. With this launch, Exact Earth has expanded its ExactView global vessel monitoring constellation to 8 in-orbit satellites. The satellite orbits around the equator every 97 minutes, providing expanded and detailed coverage to the busy tropical shipping regions of the world. The equatorial region contains some of the world's densest shipping areas, making it essential to have a satellite AIS technology that can deliver high detection performance serving the region's customers. EV9 in combination with other satellites in the constellation delivers updates at least once per hour of vessel identity, location and a wide range of the equatorial region.
In New Zealand, a drone had a near miss with a commercial flight in controlled airspace above Christchurch on Monday. The pilot of an Air New Zealand A320 with 166 passengers on board reported sighting remotely piloted aircraft system flying in controlled airspace north of Christchurch. The incident was technically a near miss but raised significant safety concerns. Meanwhile, in Britain, 4 planes flying close to major British airports were involved in potentially fatal near misses with drones in the last month. After the incident, the British government plans to impose stricter controls on the unmanned aircraft. Program Manager of Terrorism Related Information Sharing Environment or IAC has recently released its annual assessment of IAC through a report to Congress. This report details 3 core lines of effort. First, pursuing implementation of National Strategy for Information Sharing and Safeguarding. Second, advancing the domestic IAC architecture. And third, enhancing the core IAC information interoperability framework, standards and architectures. States are demonstrating independent commitment towards advancing the IAC across a growing number of mission areas. They are further developing statewide IACs as the building blocks for a national information sharing environment. GE has joined hands with Pitney Bowes to bring location intelligence and data quality to boost industrial internet analytics. GE has announced plans to enter the cloud services market with Predix Cloud. This is world's first and only cloud solution designed specifically for industrial data and analytics. Predix Cloud will enable operators to use machine data faster and more efficiently, saving billions of dollars annually. Pitney Bowes and GE are paving the path for more intelligent cities, whether it is economic development, traffic management or emergency response. Together, Pitney Bowes and GE deliver solutions that capitalize on sensor-based data.